Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Hunter. We are teaching you guys how to make money online. Okay, today a subscriber asked me to help her buy USDT so that she can use it on this 7-11. Okay, so I'm going to guide you guys, and I say that let me use this opportunity to record this so that you can see how you can do this on Binance. So how do you do this? Is very simple. So what you are going to do right now, before you can buy anything or any coin through P2P, what you need to do is make sure that you check this place. Okay, this place I'm touching right now. Okay, so once you click on this place, you need to make sure that your account is being verified. Okay, if you haven't verified your account, very simple, you can follow the procedures that will tell you. You will see something like verify your account or add your KYC. Okay, do your KYC. So after that, we are going to do this right now. So what do we need to do in order to buy this coin? Very simple. We need to come to this place called P2P. Okay, once you click on that P2P, you will allow it to load. So this is where to select the country, the local currency that you want to make use of. Okay, so if you're in Nigeria, you can select NGN. So if your local currency is one of these, you can also select your local currency by tapping on it. Okay, so once you tap in, this is Euro. So once you tap on it, this is Ghana. So once you tap on it, you can then understand how much the coin worth in your local currency. Okay, so like mine is NGN, so this is NGN. So once I click on NGN now, it's going to be showing NGN. So once I'm done with that, you can see that this is showing in my local currency, where I will understand how much I'm going to pay. So after that, the next thing you are going to do is to make sure that you come to this place. So this one is USDT, why this one is BTC, why this one is FDUSD. Okay, this one is BNB. If you want to buy BNB, you click on this one, then you can select the amount you want to buy. Okay, like how to select, like let's just say for example you want to buy BNB. What you need to do right now is to make sure that you click on this place. You can see where I'm touching. So once you click on this place, then you need to input the amount of BNB you want to buy. Okay, like if I want to buy BNB worth of 10,000 naira in my local currency, so what I'm going to do is to click or input that 10,000 naira. You can see it here. Then I'll click on confirm. What this will help me do is to look for those that had the add of 1,000 from 4,000 and above. Okay, so once I click on buy, then I can buy it. The same thing with ETH, the same thing with Solano, the same thing with NGN. Okay, so you can make use of any one here. Same here, you can also sell. Okay, if you have BNB, if you have BNB or USDT that you want to sell, you will come to this place. But I think that is another video. Okay, that's the video I will do for another day. So what do you need to do right now if you want to buy USDT? Because I'm using USDT for example, because that's what we are going to buy right now. So what you need to do is to click on this place again. You can see where I clicked. Okay, this is the amount. Okay, so you can select the amount, because if you don't select the amount, you are not going to see the particular ad that's worth that amount. So I'm going to click like from 10,000 and above. Okay, so once I click on 10,000, I'm going to send it. Okay, confirm it, and once I confirm it, I will see the ad from 4,000 to 115,000. You can see it here. So you can see everything the way it is. You can see everything. Okay, so this is how we are doing it. So after that, the next thing is how do we buy these tokens? So how we can do this is to make sure that you see something like this. Okay, you can see what I'm showing you, this tick. Okay, this simple mean that this badge simple mean that this person is verified. So guys, this is the amount we are going to buy right now. So I click on this place. Okay, I click on this buy. So once I click on that buy, the next thing here to look at this place, you can see here this place is where to input the amount you want to buy. Like if I say 3,000 naira, let me give you for example, you can see that the minimum here is 10k. Okay, that's 10,000 naira. Okay, so I need to make sure that is above, or I'll make sure that it's 10,000. You can see now I can buy this. So I'm going to go back and input the amount like 14,400. Okay, so that's what will give me 12.01 USDT. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on this buy, and once I click on buy, I will allow it to load. Okay, so once I click on buy, I will come to this place. You can see where I'm touching. Okay, so once I click on this, I'm going to message this person by telling him or her that, are you online? Are you there? Want to transfer now. So once I send this right now. So what I need to do right now is to wait for his or her reply. Okay, so what I will wait for him to or her to reply, but before then we can still go back and look into other places. Okay, this is the amount I want to buy, so always take note of this. Don't send below or greater than this amount. Okay, and make sure that is this amount. You can see here that the price is 1198.68, and this amount will change or can change at any time, but because I have initiated this business, it won't change again. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is to make sure that I chatted this person before I make the payment. So I don't think he's online right now. He's online but not yet reply. So always read the terms. Okay, no third party. Okay, no third party payment. If you pay with a third party account, I would refund you. All charges would be deducted. You can see it here when you recharge with third-party account. So what these guys say here is that you don't need to involve like giving someone money, okay, for him or her to pay, okay, and you are still the owner of the account and they are telling other person like go to POS to ask them to pay. Okay, so whatever you are doing should be with your name, okay, written on it, any transaction you are doing. So that's what he mean by third party. So we are going back. Okay, so what we need to do, and always remember that our time is ticking. Okay, our time is ticking, so we need to make sure that we pay this amount within this time they give us. Okay, so what we need to do right now is to click on pay, and once we click on pay, we are going to look for the account number, and you can see that his name is Joshua. Okay, always take note of this, and the bank is Money Point. Okay, you can see it, Money Point, that's the name of the bank. Okay, so and we are going to transfer this money. And how do we do this? We click on this account number. Okay, so once I click on that account number, I'm going to pay that 14,400 to that account. Okay, so let's go now. Let me pay it, whether this person reply me right now or not. Okay, I can still make the payment, and once I click on this transfer notify seller, and once I click it, and this, you can see this particular, let me show you something. This particular time will stop ticking. So let me go back and check whether he has replied. You can see that he has replied already. So I'm going to pay this 14,400 right now. So I click on this payment right now. So then I'll click on this place. Okay, so let me tell you guys, it's no need to put that you have paid if you haven't paid. Okay, but if you are that kind slow in making payments, you need to click on transferred notify seller, so that the time won't be over before you are done with the process of payment. Okay, so you do it, but I will advise you to be fast whenever you want to buy this coin. So we are going to our OPay account. Okay, that's where I transfer this money to. Okay, like any money that I want to make use of, I make sure that I clear this particular OPay. This OPay is just for transaction, and I do this for transaction because it's very fast. Okay, if you want to make any transaction, make sure you use OPay or Money Point or any other bank, because normally Nigerian bank always give us problems. So we are going to transfer this money. So I click on transfer. I'm just showing you how to do everything. Okay, so once you click on transfer, you tap to other bank. Okay, so once we click on that, then the next thing is to paste the amount. Okay, the account number. So you can see that is OPay. So I'm going to select that OPay here. Sorry, I'm going to select that Money Point. You can see that the name of this person is Joshua. You can see it, and I click next. Okay, so once I click next, the next thing to do is to put that amount. Okay, that's 14,400. You can see it here. So after that, the next thing is to, I'm just showing this. I know that this is not what I'm supposed to be showing you, my transaction stuff here, but I'm doing this just for everyone to understand how to do this. Okay, you can see that I have transferred that 14,400 to this person. So what I need to do right now is to go to that Binance again. So once I'm in Binance, I'm going to tell this person that I have made the payment, that he or her should release my coin. Okay, so that's what we are going to do right now. I'm going to show you everything here. I'm going to show you everything. So I'm back. I'm going back. So let me go back. I want to show you something. So you can see here, what I'm going to do right now is to click on this payment again. So once I click on that payment again, I'm going to click on this transfer. Okay, and once I click on it, is now on appeal. If this person refuses to release my coin, I'm going to do this, click on this place that's called appeal. Okay, this appeal is where I'm going to tell I'm going to tell them that I have made payment and this person refused to pay me my coin or give me my coin. So you can see here that we are waiting for him to make the payment. We are waiting for him to transfer our money. Okay, so what we need to do now is to click on this. So what we are going to do right now is to tell him that we have made the payment. So you can see what I wrote, release my coin, I have done the transfer. So I click on send. Okay, so I'm going to show you something right now. So in a case whereby you mistakenly remove this and it go back to this place, you can see where I am now. Okay, like you can see the $10 that I made from that 7-Eleven website. Okay, this is the $10. For those that asking the proof, this is the $10. So let me show you what you will do. Maybe you mistakenly go out from that transaction you are doing. So what you are going to do is also go to that P2P again. So once you go to that P2P again, the next thing you are going to do is to click on this place. Okay, this order. So once you click on the order, the next thing to do is to make sure you click on this place. Okay, so once you click on the place, you are going to get yourself back to this guy. You are going to get yourself back to this guy. So I'm going to ask him by clicking on the top and say I'm still waiting. So we are going to wait patiently so that he can release the coin. And another thing you should bear in mind is that once you made your payment and tell the person that you have transferred the money, it simply means that Binance will hold that money and he can't be able to release that coin, or he can't be able to sell that coin to another person again, because you guys have initiated business already. Okay, so that's the reason why you should always make sure that you click on that I have transferred the money. Okay, so always bear it in mind whenever you want to make any transaction. In fact, it's always better that you click on that transfer, I have transferred the money, before you go to do the transaction. Okay, so guys, you can see that this person have released this coin. You can see it, like I always show you guys how everything is going. You can see this is 12.01 USDT. This person have done the needful. So I'm going to click on this place. Okay, I'm going to click on the, but before then I will screenshot it first. So I have done the screenshot. The next thing to do is to click on this place. Okay, so I'm done. So I'm going to use this money to fund this, to fund her account. Okay, I'm going to use this money to fund her account. Let everybody understand how to. What we did was coming to this P2P. Okay, you always make use of P2P whenever you want to do the transaction. You click on P2P, then after clicking on P2P, then you come to this amount here. So once you click on the amount, and you need to input the amount of USDT you want to buy. Okay, so that you can see the ad. Okay, so you can also buy BTC here, not only USDT. You can buy, like I said earlier, you can buy BTC, you can buy FDUSD. Okay, you can buy BNB. This BNB is very important if you want to participate on some pre-sale we do on Trust Wallet. So you need this BNB. So how do you get this BNB? Very simple. You still follow the instruction. Follow this place by coming to this place. You can see where I am. So select your local currency. Okay, so once you select your local currency by clicking on this place, then you look for your local currency abbreviation here. So once you see that, you click on that, okay, so that you understand how much the money will be in your local currency. So after that, you will put the amount you want to buy, like let me say 10k. Okay, so once I click on that 10k, I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, like you can see that 1 BNB is 257,714.73. you can see it here. So if you want to buy, you can see that this ad is the lower, okay, the lowest. You can see from 4,000 to 69,335.76. okay, that's the ad this guy is selling. And always make sure that this person have this badge here. Okay, always make sure that those people have badge. I'm not advising you to buy from those that doesn't have badge. So that's how you can buy this. I believe that everybody understand what you are doing here. If you want me to do more video, you can tell me in the comment below so that I can know the next video to do for you, and give me a sweet comment and like this video, okay, so that other people will benefit from this video. Okay, there's a lot of people want to do this that we are teaching right here, so make sure you share this video. Okay, share it with your friends and family so that they can learn also. You are helping the society to be a better place. So I'm going to do more video concerning Trust Wallet, how you can do more things on Trust Wallet and so on. Okay, so always stick with us here, because we are going to keep giving you the update that will help you to grow on crypto. So guys, see you at the top. Bye.